Hello, Internet. Working on my e-bike at the moment. This is the KBO Ranger. Pretty decent e-bike for cargo. Got it for like 15. Whatever. That's not the important thing. Anyway, I noticed there's a weird problem with this bike. It's been performing fine up till now on about the 20 odd mile mark. I think it was 17 this morning. And I've noticed that whenever I have the motor going, I'm not pedal. It will work. This doesn't happen whenever I'm just pedaling, by the way. It only happens whenever the motor is going. I've tested this multiple ways. Does not matter for the gear shift or what have you. But the engine makes an odd noise when it starts up. You hear that? It's that doggle, doggle, doggle. Doggle, doggle, doggle. You hear that? I can't figure it out. Yeah, I know it has something to do with the motor itself. So let me know what you think.